In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who follows you on Snapchat. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android devices. Once you're in, look at the top left of the screen for your profile icon and tap on it. On your profile page, scroll down until you see the public profile section. Tap on it to open your public profile, where you'll be able to see some details about your account. In your public profile page, right next to your username, you'll see a followers count. This number shows how many people are following your public profile on Snapchat. To see exactly who's following you, go back to your main profile page. Scroll down a bit until you see and find the My Friends section. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all your friends, which essentially represents your followers. Keep in mind that Snapchat doesn't display a dedicated followers list like some other apps. So the My Friends list is the best way to see who you're connected with on the platform. And that's it. Now you know how to check who follows you on Snapchat.